Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will discuss question number 9. Represent each of the mathematical expression as a binary tree and hence determine its roots. So in order to draw this binary tree for the mathematical expression, the first thing that we are going to decide is the main operator. Right. Okay, so we need to find the main operator first. So for the first question, number 9a here, given is 10x squared plus 7x plus 3 to the power of 5. So now we will decide what is the main operator for this question. So here, this addition should be the main operator, right? So that our step will start with this plus. Then going to the left side of the tree of this binary tree, we are going to consider this side. Okay, so this 10x to the power of 2, the operator that involved here is multiplication, right? 10 times. So this one, second thing we are going to consider for the multiplication. And then to the left there, it should be 10, and to the right it will be, again this is x squared, so the operation involved is index, x to the power of 2. Okay, so that we have here, this is x to the power of 2. Okay, so we settle for the left side of the equation of the expression. So now turns to this part, 7x plus 3 to the power of 5. So the main operator for this right hand side is this index. Okay, so this one, we will get this as index notation. So apart from that, we have the second thing to consider is addition. So that here we will get plus, and with 7 times x. So okay, so this one should be multiplication of 7 and also x. Right. Okay, so that one is for that side. So we have this is plus 3. Okay, so this one is everything here. Okay, I mean this 7 times x plus 3. Okay, that's how we are going to read this 3. Okay, so 7x plus 3 to the power of what? To the power of 5 here. So this one should be 5. Right. Okay, so let's check. So the question is 10x to the power of 2. So this part, 10 times x to the power of 2 plus with 7 times x plus 3 to the power of 5. Okay, so with that we will get the original equation. So this is the binary tree for this expression.